sir? Dessert.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog with your girl Shakera, and as you can see, I'm on the road. I had to get my shoes repaired, my stripper heels, and a pair of gold heels that I have. So this is the gold heel. The tip was gone, and so I had to repair it, and this is like my favorite gold heel. I got it from Shein, baby. Shein. Also, the next thing that I had to do with these stripper heels, I don't know if you guys remember that vlog, but I was complaining about the straps being like too long. I had him cut it and like put some holes where it could actually fit. So what I did today, I went to Target too. I could have vlogged or anything. Like, I was just trying to go for what I went for. I didn't do no extra shit. I'm proud of myself. So that's what I did. I don't know if I'm gonna give you guys a haul because it's really nothing, like nothing, just diapers and a few hygiene and a couple t-shirts. Nothing crazy. I need to stop at the beauty supply store, but I'm running out of time because it's about to be closed, so I know I'm not gonna catch it. So maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do that because I need some bleaching powder and ebony because I have this wig that I'm gonna kind of tweak a little bit. And oh, I also bought my plane ticket today for next week. I'm leaving next week. I'm going home, y'all. I'm going home. Besides Steve Madden trying to get a slippers. So I seen these because a girl can't afford a Hermes right now. But I also seen these. These are more casual. Hold on, let me show you guys. I don't know, I like them both. Anything in the clearance section? I didn't even look. Hey guys, so I'm leaving tomorrow and I'm super excited. I did my own hair, and for some reason I feel like it's a little bit too pushed back. I don't know. I feel like it's like my forehead is like enhanced. I'm not so used to see my forehead out all the time. That's why it kind of looks weird to me. Also, installed my press-ons last night and they're like really, really cute. Okay, period. I'm gonna do my lashes when I come home from getting my feet washed. What else do I have to do? Yeah, that's pretty much it, because I did medicine hair so it could keep her for some time, because medicine hair is very fine and it get loose easily. So I kind of plait it like super fine, and I did that before I put it on my nails, because when I have my nails on I'm a whole handicap out here. But yeah, I did that. So the only major thing I have is my lashes, and yeah, because I'm packed. I just need to put a little products that I'm about to use today in, but I might put in my check on my because they're like less than 4 ounces, so that's good. But I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Okay, I hope y'all have a happy Memorial weekend with whatever y'all doing, but me, I'm gonna be outside the country. Okay, period. So I'm about to go ahead and do my lashes. I'm going front. I do not know how to pronounce this. Haigu. Whatever. It's in my Amazon storefront and link will be in the description. But this is the cluster set that I use. And it goes from 8mm to 16. And yep. And the glue that I use is also from that brand. And whenever I'm applying, I apply a lot so it could like serve me for a long time. It's like really early in the morning. It's 2:42 and I'm headed to the airport right now. My flight boards at 4:16. And y'all, tell me why a bitch is sick. Like, every time I go on vacation, I'm sick. I don't like that for me. But anyways, as per usual, I like to pregame before I go on my flight. Like I need to get in the mood, and I've had this since last year November, and I said I ain't gonna finish it until I know for sure I'm going back on my next trip. Like, look at this. Be for real. Ooh. Not the best choice because I haven't ate yet, but it is what it is. I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the airport. Bye. Yo, I look so freaking hydrated. Like, I could get eaten up right now. The bitch is smelling good. Yeah, I'm getting a piercing. I wanted a tattoo with my friend, but the tattoo guy not here. He never there yet. So the last time I come, he not here.
Here's too often. They come a little bit late. You know, tattoos kind of
rubbish.
Kind of have a little more.
His place of business is supposed to be available. Why that's so hot? Nasty bitch.
Where did the second?
Where I did my second?
Your second.
Out here.
Your second person?
Upper.
Your ears?
Yeah.
Out here?
Yeah. I'm a day high school girl. Or after high school. Me and my friend departed. And yeah. And I got my ears pierced. And I want to get the other side of my nipples re-pierced, but right now my ears on fire. I'm like, nah, I'm gonna have to come back the next day. So maybe I go back tomorrow and I want to get a matching tattoo with my friend. But yeah, so right now I'm headed to the countryside. You better bring me a bush. You go step on him? This a pumpkin, baby? Bumbo. Hey. Hey. You're so cute. You're so cute. Catch that, catch that. You jinx that. When I ask, you jinx that. Come again, catch. Right. Eh? What are you? You said something. You did.
Give me some.
Vou aqui, tá? Oi. This is so good. Why not fight? Why not fight? like driving in Jamaica. And you know what's funny? I say I like driving in Jamaica. I guess because me used to a fast-paced car. Whenever I drive this car, I feel more comfortable. Like I feel more at ease. Hear you now. You should have hear him. Hey, nobody drive hard enough, okay? And then I rush for going away. Watch out, the man got around at the back. Come here. Hello? Thank you.
Take care, yeah.
Alright.
Give me a picture.
No, I'm just recording for my vlog.
They give me $200 for your vlog. Give me $1,000.
No, I'm not you. One more pass back. Come here, going at them.
You have to give me US money.
I'm not have none of that.
I'll give me $1,000.
No, I'm not.
Yo, she'll give me $1,000.
No, we can't give a number. Alright, have a nice day.
Give me a US money.
I'm not have none of that. Me I come back. Just listen.
I can't think you buy a box juice.
Me say I'm over there, so me I go. Me soon come back. Alright. Alright. You hear them Liberty blood clot taking ya about $200 can't buy. So I'm about to head into Fontana and it's hot. And I don't know if y'all could see a bitch is bruised up, my lip. Y'all don't even want to see my legs. Like, it's looking crazy. But let me hurry up and get out this car because it's cremation in this bitch. Don't fall. Why are you falling? Don't fall. Them shall get put on the back. Come on. Baby. Any deodorant in particular? Any deodorant in particular?
Yeah, beautiful.
Any deodorant in particular? Oh my god! You need a specific deodorant?
Oh no, just as long as a powder.
Powder? Oh, me find that out now.
No man, you know me at all. Just like the one of me dog.
Like what me have?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not the gel.
Alright. But them you say aluminum free. You know what? I know that you use.
What brand?
Dove.
Smell it.
Smell it?
This is the first now. That's the last time. Oh, you don't need for
Oh, you gonna tell me for smell I'm sick. This can't come off. Hey. Don't ramp on me, you know. Bro. Could you open this to me so I can smell it? No, you're not fit that. How much for this? Yes, I can. I'm taking it. Yeah. Thank you. This is really good. I need an extra whipped cream though. Okay, time to hit the round. The round. Don't do that, huh? Okay. Where's the exit? Damn, I gotta go all the way around. What kind of caution sign that? I'm going to the movies tonight. I'm wearing this skirt and this t-shirt that I got from Target with my one little vessel bag and my Air Force. With the drink?
Can't taste the rum, you can't taste the flavor.
We said him no bar the liquor. It's a one. You ain't not drink that stuff. When you ain't not drink that stuff.
Why?
Because you're not. The food was so good. It was bomb. Yeah. Is it dessert? Dessert. No, but for real, you're dessert. No? Babe, I'm taking you to.
Yes, good.
Yeah. We're greedy. Oh my god, Burger King and KFC. Sick of your ass. So I just got back off the road and I'm tired. I think I'm supposed to go to the strip club tonight. Hopefully, because I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm about to eat my crab. I have my crab to eat. And I'm gonna shower. I already know what I'm wearing to the strip club if I'm going. And I also bought this really cute book. Of course it gotta be pink because I already know your girl love pink. And I'm just a book hoarder. Like, I love writing. Lately I haven't been using my iPad as much as I think I would. Fucking mosquitoes. And I also visited my grandma today. I didn't vlog. I didn't really vlog much, to be honest, so yeah. And I'm also sad that I have to leave. Nobody panics. He's like, oh, you're so thoughtful. Of course, I pay attention. Don't play with it, don't play with it, baby, don't play with it. Whoa, I stress. Oh, you're not even realizing somebody changed my nails. And it's so funny because it matched my outfit with Mary said, oh shit. Watch out, I say I fixed it. I'm gonna leave you up here, so I'm so sorry, friend. Let me get you, girl. But yeah, hold on. Damn, but you never work WhatsApp. So I'm about to go warm up my car right now, and we're about to bust it down. And my grandma gave me these yesterday. I had more than this. I gave my best friend some. So I'm gonna eat one of these. I think one of them spoiled already. I'm still gonna eat it. we buy you and get some.
You have a resign that? People, brother.
You gonna try to catch up? That's crazy. Oh. A big party shop. Tell me why they keep delaying the flight. Originally it was 4, then they changed to 7. Then they changed to 9. No, 4 o'clock in the morning. Honestly, we're not going again. Because I like that for me. So you mean to tell me I just came back from vacation to this shit? Like, why the place look like this? It looks like in a freaking movie, the end of the world. This is crazy. Hey guys, so I'm back on freaking US soil, back in the USA, a place where I don't want to be, but I'm here. Like, yesterday was crazy. The sky was looking like we was going through an apocalypse, and it's scary. And I just wish I was back in Jamaica, because nothing like this is happening over there. Like, summer always happening in the US all the time. Right now I stopped at the gas station because I need a Red Bull, even though I haven't eaten anything, and I don't feel for any Starbucks. And I need to go to the bank, and then later on I have to go do my mom's hair because she's going to Jamaica, y'all. She's going to Jamaica tonight, and I'm jealous. Like, I'm freaking jealous. I want. The man said, "We the only fans. Are you Otara? Start."
Welcome. Please scan your first item.
All right, miss. You chat too much. The barcode there. Okay. Alrighty. 20. Second.
Quantity needed.
But you know.
$9.34.
Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you. He's always in a good mood. Why is my belly at me? Hello?
I'm Starbucks. What would you like?
I just got back home, and I had bought this bag before I went on vacation. I thought it was going to come before vacation because I wanted to wear it, but I really didn't need it for vacation because I didn't have anything to match. Hopefully it's cute in person, because online it was given. So it's from this brand. And I know y'all see this all over Instagram because that's where I first saw it. So it comes with a cute little dust bag. And this is the bag. They also had other colors, but this pink had me in a chokehold. And this is my first time having a bag with silver accessories because I'm a gold accessory type of girl. The pink and the silver actually goes pretty well together, and I thought it was gonna be like a bit smaller, but this size it's okay. And this is what the inside looks like, and it's like really cute. Like, get into the details. But I'm gonna go online right now and see if I could find some shoes to match, or probably go to the mall tomorrow because I have to take medicine to therapy. So I'm see if Zara is open, because I know they've been refurbishing Zara for quite some while. Hopefully it's open because it's been a long goddamn time. But yeah.